Hey, y'all. Welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm having a great day, guys. Happy, wonderful Wednesday to each and every one of you. Guys, I wanted to bring you along real quick as I do an unboxing. All right, I was about to say inbox. As I do an unboxing from one of my amazing subscribers, guys. Thank you guys so much. You have been doing a wonderful job making sure Boss Lady Fee gets the items that she needs, and I really do appreciate it. You guys appreciate me, and just know that I really appreciate you all so very much. So we're getting right on into this unboxing, guys, but even after you watch this, stay tuned because I want to show you guys some quick things that I'm working on that you can put together really quickly. Y'all look! Y'all know I'm always excited about some ribbon, honey, because y'all know I use tons and tons of it because of the way that I design my bows. Baby, listen. Between this box of ribbon that just arrived, shout out again to my boss buddy. She did not give me the consent, nor did she deny me the privilege of doing so, calling her name. So either way, I will not say what her name is because, like I said, she didn't give me permission, but she didn't tell me not to either. But anyway, guys, I'm so grateful that she sent me this ribbon. Y'all think these baskets ain't getting ready to be slamming? Y'all do. Y'all think they're not getting ready to be slamming? Honey, these baskets about to be slamming, honey, with this ribbon between this box and all the other ribbon that I got from my other boss buddy and all that Driven Fortitude has sent me, guys. Listen, Boss Lady Fee getting ready to knock these baskets out the park, baby. Okay, I'm getting ready to knock them out the park, honey. You're going to be able to see these bows a mile away. All right. Anyway, thanks again, Boss Buddy. You are amazing. There has been a couple people asking for the P.O. box, the mailing address. Guys, stay on me, okay? Because sometimes I see the comments and then I don't know what happened to them. I don't know where that comment went, but just email me or either make it under another video and I will do my best to get back to you with it. All right. Now, for those of you that shopped yesterday, Dollar General 90% off sale, these green dot baby, honey, these little platters I got for 30 cents yesterday. And I think I included a clip where I told you guys I was going to use these for unbaskets. But even if I didn't include a clip, honey, that's exactly what I had in mind when I got these little trays. And this is just showing you some inexpensive ways, guys, that you can make unbaskets. I'm sorry. Y'all know I gave this name, unbaskets, which is just a tray, plate, anything, guys, that's not an actual basket. I call it an unbasket. All right. But these are some of the baskets that I am working on. Again, unbaskets. These are some little mug gifts I'm working on, y'all. We making it do what it do, honey. We getting prepared for Christmas. We getting prepared for Valentine's Day. And because of the way that these items that I'm showing you are designed, they will be able to be used for either occasion. Okay. So, honey, get the designing because we got money to make, sweetie. We got some amazing holidays coming up. And I don't know about y'all, but I want to put plenty of money in the bank, baby, after the holiday. So make sure you are designing and getting prepared for the upcoming holidays. This is one last basket that I'm working on, you all. Again, as I always say, I'm behind, what I consider behind anyway. So whenever I get an opportunity, I go ahead and start working on baskets. As you can see, this one is not complete. I just stuck the items in here. Nothing has been taped down. Nothing has been secured. But I just kind of want to show you guys what type of items I've put in the baskets that I'm working on recently. Okay. Remember, I have a lot of vases, so we're making sure that they all get a vase in there. All right. Anyway, guys, this is about the end of this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so that each and every time I upload a video, bam, you will be the first to be notified. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag. To the next video. Bye, y'all.